internet, there is so many ways to make money, but y'all don't even notice that because y'all so worried about who Cardi B, who Kim Kardashian, who this and that is doing. Don't let the gossip distract you of the fact that you could be making money right now. The internet, it has so much fucking possibilities, yo. You gotta watch how these people are doing it. I remember when Fashion Nova started, I was watching The Recipe. It's one of the most successful clothing brands. Watch that recipe. These bloggers, they making mad money out of y'all watching it. Watch their recipe, cause you could be doing the same shit.